Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain the chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.2. So, here the first question is, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is first term, D is common difference and A base n is nth term of AP. So, for the below given the table, we have to fill the blanks that he given. So in the first problem, he gave the value of A is 7 and the value of D 3 and the value of n 8, and he asked to find the value of A base n. So I am writing here first one. Let us solve it. Given that A equals to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8, and he asked to find An, the value of An. So we know that what we know, the formula of A base n. A base n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. To find the A base n, we have to choose the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. He asked to find out the value of A base n. So A base n equals to, what is the value of A? 7 plus, what is the value of n? 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So here A base n is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1 means 7 into 3. Here A base n is equals to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So we got A base n is equals to 21 plus 7 equals to 28. So the value of A base n is 28. We got the value of A base n 28 by the given data. A is equals to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8. So here the value of A base n is 28. So we had completed the first problem. Now let's go to the second problem. Here in this problem he gave A is equals to minus 18. He asked to find the D and N is equals to 10 and A base n is 0. Let us see. So here second problem. Let us solve it. So in this problem given that the value of A is equals to minus 18 and the value of N is 10 and the value of A base n is 0. And he asked to find out the value of D. So we know that the formula of A base n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us substitute the value of A, n and A base n. The value of A base n is 0 is equals to the value of A is minus 18 plus n minus 1 into D means the value of n is 10 minus 1 into D. So here 0 equals to minus 18 plus 10 into D, 10D. Sorry, here we can write this as 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 into D. So here we get 9 into D, 9D minus 18 equals to 0. So here we got 90 minus 18 is equals to 0. So in this equation that we got 90 minus 18 equals to 0. If we transfer minus 18 to the right side, it becomes 90 equals to plus 18. D is equals to 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So therefore we got the value of D is equals to 2. By the given data A is equals to minus 18, N is equals to 10, N is equals to 0, we had got the value of D 2. So I am writing here the value of D is 2. So we had completed the second question. Now let's go to the third question. In this question, he gave the value of d is equals to minus 3, n is equals to 18, an is equals to minus 5, and he asked to find out the value of a. Let us see. Third problem. So, in the third problem, given that d is equals to minus 3, n is equals to 18, an is equals to minus 5, and he asked to find out the value of a. So, we know the formula of a base n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of a base n he gave is minus 5 equals to, the value of a is, he asked to find out, a plus, the value of n is 18 minus 1 into, the value of d is minus 3. So here minus 5 equals to a plus 18 minus 1, 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 equals to a plus into minus. Minus 17 3 is a 51. Here a minus 51 is equals to minus 5. If we transpose minus 51 to the right side, it becomes a is equals to plus 51 minus 5. Then we get the value of a is equals to 46. 51 minus 5, 46. Therefore, we got the value of a is 46. By solving the given data that he gave, d is equals to minus 3, n is equals to 18, an is equals to minus 5, we had got the value of a 46. Now, I am writing here, we got the value of a 46. So, we had completed the third question. Now let's go to the fourth question. In this problem, he given that the value of a is minus 18.9, the value of d is 2.5, and the value of an is 3.6, and he asked to find out the value of n. Let us solve it. Given that the value of a is equals to minus 18.9, a is equals to minus 18.9. After, the value of d is equals to 2.5, d is equals to 2.5. After, a base n is equals to 3.6, a base n is equals to 3.6, and he asked to find out the value of n. So, we know the formula of a base n is equals to, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is 3.6 equals to, the value of a is minus 18.9 plus the value of n is, and he asked to find out, so n minus 1 into d is 2.5. So here 3.6 equals to minus 18.9 plus 2.5 into n, 2.5n, plus into minus 2.5 into 1, 2.5. So here 3.6 equals to 2.5n. Here minus 18.9 minus 2.5. 9 plus 5, 14. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1 and 1, 2. So we got minus 21.4. If there are minus for the two symbols, and he showed like this, minus 18.9, minus 2.5. So if there are opposite same symbols for any two numbers, we have to add them and keep the symbol. So we got minus 21.4. Minus 21.4. So 22.5n minus 21.4 is equals to 3.6. 2.5n is equals to 3.6 plus 21.4. If you transpose minus 21.4 to the right side, it becomes plus 21.4. 2.5n is equals to 21.4 and 3.6. 4 plus 6, 10. 3 plus 2, 5, 2. So 25.0 means we can write it as 25. N is equals to, if you transpose 2.5 to the right side, it become, divide the 25. 25 by 2.5. N is equals to, if we remove the point for the 2.5, it gets a 0 for the numerator by 25. 25 ones are 25 tens are 250. Therefore, we got the value of n is equals to 10. By solving the given data, a is equals to minus 18.9, d is equals to 2.5, an is equals to minus 3.6, n. So we got the value of n 10. So I am writing here the value of n that he asked in the question is, we got 10. So we have completed the fourth question. Now let's go to the fifth question. In this question he gave a is equals to 3.5, d is equals to 0, n is equals to 105, and he again asking the value of a base n. Let us solve it. Fifth question. So given that, what is given in the problem? A is equals to 3.5, d is equals to 0. A is equals to 3.5, d is equals to 0, n is equals to 105, and he asked to find out the value of an. So we know the formula a base n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value of a base n he asked. So a base n is equals to, the value of a is 3.5 plus n minus, he gave the value of n, that is 105, minus 1 into the value of d he gave 0. So a base n is equals to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1, 104 into 0. A base n is equals to 3.5 plus 104 into 0. Anything is multiplied by 0, we will get the result 0. 3.5 plus 0, a base n is equals to 3.5. So therefore we got the a base n is equals to 3.5. By solving the given data, a is equals to 3.5, d is equals to 0, n is equals to 105, we got the value of a base n 3.5. So I am writing here the value of a base n that we got is 3.5. So we had also completed the fifth question. Means we had completed this table by filling the blanks that he asked in the every question. So now let's go to the second question. So here the given second question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So here the given first question is 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is. He gave the options. So let us check it. So given that ten, 7, 4 and so on. So he asked the 30th term for the given AP. So I am taking the value of A, means the A is the first term of the given AP. What is the first term? 10. So the value of A is 10 and the D equals to 4 minus 7 means A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. 4 minus 7 equals to 7 minus 10. The value of 4 minus 7 is minus 3 equals to minus 10 plus 7 minus 3. So therefore D is equals to minus 3 after. So and he asked the A30 equals to how much? Means A30 equals to A base n, means the value of n is 30, and also here the value of n is equals to 30. So we know that the formula A base n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. He asked the A30. So here A30 equals to, the value of A is 10 plus the value of n is 30 minus 1 into the value of D is minus 3. So A30 is equals to 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. A30 is equals to 10 plus into minus, minus 29 3s are 87. A30 is equals to, we got the value of A30 minus 80 plus 10 means minus 77. Means we got the value of A30, means the 30th term minus 77. In the following option, minus 77 is option C. So therefore C is correct. After in this second question only, there is second sub question. Let us go for it. So here the second sub question is 11th term of AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. So let us solve it. Given that minus 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 and so on. From the given AP, I am taking the value of A is equals to minus 3, D is equals to minus 1 by 3, minus of minus 3. Want to be equals to 2 of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus 3 equals to 2. Minus into minus, plus 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 1 means 5 by 2. Want to be equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So we got 5 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. Therefore the value of D is equals to 5 by 2. In this question he asked to find out the value of 11th term. Means A11 equals to, find out A11 equals to AN, means the value of n will become 11. So we know that A base n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of A base n is, we have to find out, that is A base n is A11 equals to, the value of A is minus 3 plus the value of n is 11 minus 1 into the value of D is 5 by 2. So here A11 equals to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 means 10 into 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. A11 equals to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Then it becomes A11 is equals to 25 minus 3, 22. So therefore we got the value of A11, 22. Which option is correct for the question he asked 11th term? We got 22. Option B is the correct. 11th term of AP is 22. That we got A11 is equals to 22. So therefore option B is correct. So we had completed this. So we had completed the first and second questions in this video. In next video, I will explain some other questions from the exercise 5.2. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.